want to be left out. If you want to be on the go, you want to be in the world of computers. Hence, the activity is just right for you. Kasi kung mapag-iwanan ka, magiging Jurassic ka, tinatawag. Kagaya ko, Jurassic. I'm sure you don't want to be outdone by your own children. Our young generation of today is so keen and full of wisdom in the use of computers, cell phones, and other gadgets. Sabi nga natin, yung mga anak natin ay mas magagaling pa sa atin pagka sa pagkalikot ng mga computers. Through the aid of the computer, we can facilitate our work and save time and effort that we use to do other important things. Through computers, communication can be fast as the click of your finger. Data that you need to have can be accessed in seconds. Furthermore, transmission of reports to higher office or vice versa can be done faster and more accurately. Alam natin lahat na kahit na nasa liblib na lugar tayo, basta may signal, na-update tayo. That is how fast. And that is the beauty of computers, the advantage of it. I urge you therefore to grab this opportunity to hone your skills and sharpen, enhance your knowledge in the use of computers. Take this moment to improve your basic computer skills. You just have to focus and learn to love the use of this technology. At the end of this training, I would be very proud to say that our non-uniformed personnel are all computer literate. Ito yung programa natin ngayon na lahat ng ating mga NUP ay maturuan. Kasi through the program of our Chief PNP, babasa natin na gusto niya yung mga maiiwan sa mga opisina, mga non-uniform personnel, at mga uniform personnel will be out in the streets. Nasa labas, nagbibigay ng serbisyo sa ating mga tao, mga kababayan. Therefore, the best output of this training is not simply to make each one of you computer literate, but to be able to harness the full potential of the computer for a better output in any task you do. Enjoy the fun with the computers and make the most of this training. To all of you, my congratulations in advance and good luck. You won't regret after all for having chosen to be here. So, pagkatapos ng training nyo dito, alam nyo na yung sinabi ni Chief Staff. Iyon ito.